Hey guys, it is Friday 15th of February 2019. I'll keep this update short due to the fact that I'm not feeling the best. I'm nursing a cold at the moment. So I haven't actively been trading in the markets. I've just more been observing and just keeping the track on how things are developing. I did say though, my last update, I put a trade alert out to clients, possible shorts, to take short positions on the S&P 500. I took a short position as well as, I think some of the clients was stopped out on this break above the 200 because my position was relatively small to my trading capital, and I work off a stop loss ratio of no more than 3%. I basically had more room to breathe, so even though it came close on the top of the wick on Wednesday's candle, I didn't get stopped out. So interesting what we had last night. We had a sell down, a push up, which has created a spinning top right on the 200. We have this gap here. Currently, as I'm recording this, futures is down, currently trading at 27.34, which puts us round here again. More importantly, do we possibly have a repeated pattern which has occurred 3 times prior to when we've had a rally and a break? As we can see, a false break above the 200, and then we've had a big sell down to December's low prior to this one in October. So it remains to be seen if we're going to get a reoccurring theme again. One thing what I want to look for as confirmation that maybe this corrective move is finished up at this level is I'd like to see something in the order of a big red bodied candle like this one, or even that one. Something like maybe this, where we get rejected off the shorter MAs, is not enough conviction to me. So ideally, as I said, I'd like to see a big, whether it comes during tonight's session or the following week, but I'd like to see, like a candle come down here, push hard, and I think that would really start to build the momentum for a bigger move down. So at the moment, as I said, I'm just, due to me being not well, I'm not actively trading. The only trade I have in it, as I said, is the short position, which I'm just managing at the moment. If it goes up and hits my 3% stop loss, so in other words, I think my stop would be 27.70 area, which equates to 3% loss of my capital. If I get stopped out, well, so be it. But that would probably signal that we could look to test the prior high here and maybe a bit further. Just one more thing to note. This whole move from the December 25th low, or the 24th low to present, has been on very little volume, and I read a report recently, I think it was one of the big banks out of Wall Street, their analysts noting that a lot of the big institutions, they sold down heavily to the low, but they didn't buy back in this move. So this move's been done on very little volume, which is quite scary. And I think I read there was another report where it was basically just, once again, stock buybacks, US corporations buying back their stocks that have given the illusion that, the market was healthy and this rally was healthy. So remains to be seen what happens from here on in. As I said, I'm looking for a decline if we don't get it. If I get stopped out, then my overall analysis is I still think a bigger move is coming, and we'll see how this plays out next week.